GoodData has a huge variety of APIs and SDKs, including a Python SDK, react.js SDK, GoodDataUI SDK, GoodPandas libraries, in addition to declarative and imperative REST APIs that are accessible, and documentation is available as shown here. Our entire platform is versioned as YAML and JSON files and can be integrated with code control systems like Git and managed via CI/CD. We also offer a Visual Studio Code plugin shown on screen, which allows developers to define dashboards, visualizations, metrics, and data models directly in the IDE while previewing changes before committing any code.